Hello everyone, I hope all of you are fine and doing your studies well. In this video, we are going to discuss Chapter 2 The Adventures of Toto, written by Ruskin Bond. This chapter has been taken from your supplementary book of English. Let's start with the introduction of the chapter. The Adventure of Toto. This is a humorous and adventurous story of a naughty monkey named Toto. The writer's grandfather bought the monkey from a Tonga driver. The pranks played by Toto have been narrated in an interesting way and make the story a must read for us. Let's read further about the story. The writer's grandfather liked to collect animals and had a zoo at home. Once he bought a monkey named Toto from a Tonga driver for a sum of 5 rupees. Toto was kept secretly as the grandmother disliked animals. Toto was very mischievous. He is actually very naughty. When the writer and his grandfather hid Toto in a cupboard and tied him to a hook, he broke the hook and caused havoc in the room. The next day, when he was kept in the servants' room along with other animals, he did not let them sleep all night. As grandfather had to go to Saharanpur for work, he decided to take the monkey along with him because he knew that what he was able to do behind him. He carried Toto in a strong bag made of canvas and closed the zip nicely so that Toto could not escape. Toto made unsuccessful attempts to get out of the bag, which made the bag jump and roll. This aroused the curiosity of fellow passengers at the railway station. At the Saharanpur railway station, when grandfather was getting his ticket checked, Toto peeked out of the bag and smiled at the ticket collector. That was quite funny and humorous, as the ticket collector declared that it was a dog. Grandfather had to buy a ticket for 3 rupees, much to his annoyance. When Toto was accepted by grandmother, it was given a place in the stable along with the donkey. That name is Nana. Toto did not get along with Nana as well because he was not that kind of an animal. He was not able to manage with other animals. Toto enjoyed taking bath in warm water during the winter season. One day he almost boiled himself when he jumped into a kettle of boiling water. One afternoon, Toto ate the family meal of pulao. He threw the empty dish from the tree and it broke it into several pieces. Toto's mischiefs grew by the day and grandfather realized that they could not keep him at home. Finally, he found the same Tonga driver and sold Toto back to him for a sum of 3 rupees. Means you can see here, although grandfather was very fond of taking care of animals, he was having his own zoo, but still Toto was so mischievous, so naughty that he was not able to bear him anymore. He was not able to take Toto with him anymore and any long. That's why he just returned Toto to the same Tonga driver from whom he has bought him. That was about the adventures of Toto. I hope you understood the discussion of the chapter. Further thing we are going to do in the class. Thank you. Have a nice day.